How's it going, guys? We have the biggest announcement that BDT is gonna make for quite some time, and that is we are about to pick up my dyno. That's right, you heard me freaking right. We have an all-wheel drive dyno ready to be picked up. It's a big moment. Am I nervous? No, because I've been waiting for this moment for my whole life. I mean, I've wanted a dyno, they couldn't get the money, and I've been saving up and all this blah, blah, blah. Now's the moment. Now's the time where we show people what we have. Now's the time to show you guys the data. We're gonna break the internet, so I wanna mark it here. This is 2021, guys. It is January, what, 2nd, 3rd? It happened. We're into the new year. My dyno's sitting at the dock down in the good old Detroit. So we're gonna go snag it up right now, but I wanna let you guys know, we gotta vlog this, of course. So I don't want to get sentimental, but holy smokes, I've been waiting for this moment for way too long, and it's time to show you guys really what we're made of. You guys question way too much. I'm here to show you. I'm not here to BS you guys, so stay tuned. Other than that, enjoy the video, and here we go. Alright guys, we are here at the shipping dock. Holy smokes is about to be on this in a couple of seconds. We're just waiting for them to tell us what to do, and hopefully it goes smoothly. We've had some freak instances, so here we go. Wish me luck. Dyno, here we come. Oh, the heck are they coming out like that? That's weird. Alright guys, we have the dynos here. They are, oh my gosh, they're huge. They're heavy. We're gonna have some fun.
What's that say on the back?
Boost dynamic
tuning. Boost dynamic tuning.
That's right, boys. We are here, it's official. Now we gotta play with these things. We get to touch them and love them up. You know how it goes. So stare at them for like hours. Alright guys, dynos are off.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
How's it going, guys? Just a small little update for you. We just grabbed the tires. As you might see in the previous video, we blew some tires, bringing the generator home. Fun stuff. In the middle of our 6-7 hour trip. So we're now 3 hours back over here, Kalamazoo. We got to go 1 more hour down south to get the trailer, and then after that we'll be able to put the tires on, hopefully bring it home. Like, please just let me get this fucker home. It's a heavy bitch and I'm just tired of it. That's huge for this week because we will be setting up the dyno. We now have the power source, now we have the shop. Now we just need to get the wires running from the generator to the dyno, and we're gonna be fucking killing it. So, got some big news for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're heading on back home, where then we will set up the dyno, and we will see the parameters. We will make it boost very good. Do not add this. Alright guys, catch you when we get home. Let's get the heck out of here. Freaking 4 hours away from my home. I'm leaving my $10,000 prized possession on the side of the road for 2 days. Even left the cell phone in there, iPhone 12, iPhone 10, where the heck it is. You can have it. Things are garbage anyways. So, alright guys, stay the fuck tuned. Alright guys, so we made it home. Holy smokes, it's finally, I'm not gonna exaggerate, I'm just glad to be home, because this is seriously you. Well, it has brand new tires, so that's a plus. She's gonna be the generator for the dyno. This is crazy. Who'd have thought you could power a dyno with a generator? Like, what? We're gonna make it work, guys. We have to. This is going for a portable dyno. Okay, so this is a part of the kit that we're gonna have set up on a trailer, and it's gonna be portable. You guys think we're bullshitting? This is what's gonna happen. I'm telling you now. The day is what? January 11th, right around there. So Note that in your books. Shit's going down. We're gonna hit all the car shows this summer with a fucking portable dyno. You heard it here. You probably won't see this video for a long time, so. Either way, thank you guys for watching. Take care. What's up, BDT followers? We have another great day for you guys. Guess what's going down? We are gonna move these dynos to their home. They are going to be set down and ready to rock and roll. Other than that, we're gonna be moving this fat lift right here on top of moving that fat forklift out of there too, because we gotta move all this stuff. So, other than that, guys, I want you to tune in and show you guys how it goes down, the building of my business. We have been waiting for this moment. We're done with the garage. We've done the mom and pop shop. It's time to hit the big leagues. And here we are, we gotta flex hard, because this is my moment, guys. I'm gonna show you what it's all about, what you guys wanted to see, the data, the power numbers, the reliability. You're gonna get it all. Put me to the test. I'm ready for it. So thank you guys for tuning in, and here we go.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Chasing with the fade, not the air, my hands.
All right, guys, update number 2. We have loaded up the dynos. As you see, they loaded up the forklift. We are ready to rock and roll. It's time to head over to the shop. See you there in a second.
In my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci gang. Think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe.
What's going on, guys? We have another big day for you. As you can tell, we are set up. Well, kind of. We're about to take them apart and show you the goods inside of them. But this is the shop, guys. This is where it's all gonna go down. This is where we're gonna make those numbers and break the internet. Stay tuned, guys. I'm about to break a sweat.
Alright guys, here's the computer. Oh, there's little wheels, look at the little wheels!
Alright guys, here it is. Here is the Dyno from Mainline themselves. This is the best of the best. You can't find better. Obviously you guys know your facts. I want to do the final unwrapping of the computer stand, you would say, so. Got a beautiful glasses here. Beautiful case. Because they've used this. They tested my unit. They actually put everything together and they will take a video of the unit itself working. Okay, the only thing I can say about this whole thing is I haven't found any instructions. So, I don't know what's up with that.
Oh, look, you got a hat!
Cool little lanyards. Of course, you know, Prohub. It's real. Oh, this is mint.
Oh, koozie?
So, get this, guys. We paid $100,000 for these koozies, okay? All this other stuff, it's free. You buy these babies, you get the rest. You know how it goes. You might as well drink a beer after you open this sucker up. They said it takes a whole 3-5 days of packaging this whole unit. And they said you'll see why. Well, it wasn't the easiest thing to open up, I'll tell you that. So, some cool looking sensors. Man, they've really just got some cool blue stuff. Like, the weather station. As you guys know, what's your DA? This is a sensor to show that. Well, calibrate that. A sick ass keyboard. Alright, what do we got here? No shit. It gets even better, guys.
Oh my!
You're gonna drink a cold cup. You're gonna drink a cold cup of coffee after you know, hit the dyno.
A cold cup?
I mean, sorry.
A hot cup?
You're gonna
a hot cup of Joe?
You know what? I'm not an advertising pro. Okay. All right, guys. I'm still missing the instructions, though. That's one thing. What's going on there? And it's not just one coffee cup. It's two, because they knew about the misses. The best part of the whole thing, I get a free wideband O2 sensor. You guys know how much these suckers cost. It's not $1,000, but every little bit counts. They literally give you everything you're gonna need to tune a car. So, still no instructions. What are we gonna do? Other than that, guys, I'm trying to wake up. That took a little energy out of me. So it's definitely an emotional moment. I have waited at least 8-10 years for this, guys. And it's like waiting for your present forever. You know you're gonna get there, but when will you get there? And the moment's here. You know, I thank you for everybody that helped me get to this point. You guys really believed in me, and I'm here to show you I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. You can hate as much as you want. You can't stop. So, other than that, I'm gonna try to set this stuff up. I hope I find the instructions, because there's a lot of things. I don't even know. There's too many things. I'm gonna go get some lunch here probably. So, stay tuned, guys. Thank you for tuning in. It's gonna be a $100,000 mistake. They might take a return.
Oh my god. That's what they get for not giving us a plug.
Please step back. All right.
Greg, can we do a quick update?
About to flip the main breaker for the first time.
All right, here we go. We can get that. Got red lights. Why didn't it go kaboom? All right, guys, so we're about to power up the machine for the first time. We have power applied to the machine. That was a huge headache, but we got it handled. So now.
Oh shoot. Look at the screen.
Oh, snap.
Nah, that needs to be a Boost Dynamic logo.
Oh, we're gonna have to. Wow.
You excited?
Guys, this is sweet. This is, I don't know, this keyboard's pretty cool too, though. I got this little mouse right here. I don't know, I've never had a keyboard with a mouse on it. You know, it's the tuner's go-to, apparently. While I was at school at EFI, they were bragging about this, and I didn't know what they were talking about, but we're gonna see what they're talking about. Thank you again, Ben, for helping us. We definitely couldn't do this without you. And I did shoot in the pictures of the dyno being set up, and it's just, I don't know, I'm not gonna get sentimental with you guys, but here we are. What's going on, guys? As you saw earlier in the video, I took these little fat dynos out of their little boxes, sat these down, plated it, and we're ready to go. But there's a whole little hold up here. They need to log in from Australia. Love you guys over there at Mainline. You're gonna log in, show me how to work this thing. What do you do? So we're gonna go through the steps of how to run the dyno correctly. Other than that, you know I'm gonna have some fun, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me have fun. I mean, you guys get to see the good data. Holy smokes, a tuner that shows you what you're really gonna get? Yeah, exactly, that's crazy. So, tune in, thank you for watching. I'm hyped, I know you guys better be hyped because this shit's crazy. So, thank you. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me, but this is our first stock log of the A3. I got all the lights on the dash because she's pissed off that I'm on the dyno and stuff. But here we go, I'm gonna show you what it's all about here.
4th gear. Oh yeah, come on, come on. There we go, boys. 214 horsepower, 245 stock. She's fast. Probably not. Either way, guys, just want to show you, this is what it's like. That's my 4th pull on the dyno. A little nerve-wracking. It's a little hard to get down and stuff, but it's freaking sweet. I mean, I am speechless. I don't know how to talk to you guys. I don't know how to explain this, but this is just, it's out of my realm. As in, you know, I don't get to sit on the dyno and do whatever I want. Like, I don't even know what to say. What a day. We ran into a little problem earlier. We were doing our first pull, and next thing you know, everything shuts off. I'm like, the fuck? My car was running, but the dyno and shit was all off. I'm like, what's going on? I take it all apart. I'm checking all the circuit breakers. I power the whole thing down. I'm like, what is going on? Turns out a small connector on the computer vibrated loose. That's all it was. It just came loose. I'm like, oh, there it was. The whole time we're messing around, I plug it in, and next thing you know, we're fired back up and we're back at it. So just to let you know, it didn't go as smooth as you guys saw in the video. So thank you guys for tuning in.